America's favorite cheeseburger today. I'm making a regular bacon cheeseburger and a lighter version, a ground chicken and beef cheeseburger. Breakdown for calories and macros below in description of this video. For the regular version, I'm using 85/15 grass-fed ground beef. So start with forming 8-ounce patty. Make sure you do not overwork the meat so it doesn't become tough. We are making nice and juicy burger here. Season with salt and ground pepper before you put it on a pan. Cast iron pan is best you can use to make burgers at home. It is thick and holds very high heat, and that's exactly what you want. So heat cast iron on a high heat and put just enough oil to coat the pan, about half a tablespoon. The beef itself will release good amount of fat. And one trick I like to use to save the amount of fat I use in cooking is reuse bacon fat. And since I will be making bacon cheeseburgers today, I fry the bacon first and then use the same pan for burgers. Season with salt and pepper on the other side and you're ready to flip. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes per side to have a medium or medium rare burger. Keep in mind, we will use extra time to properly melt cheese, so we don't want to overdo it and have a well done burger. Unless that is what you like. Hey, I don't judge. Here's another way you can dress up your burger. I sauteed onion and mushroom in half a tablespoon of butter. I seasoned it with salt and pepper and cooked for about 10, maybe 15 minutes until the onions browned. Now I topped my burger with onions and mushroom, bacon, and shredded mozzarella cheese. You can cover it with a pan or put it in the oven to broil at 550 Fahrenheit for a couple of minutes. And this is what you get. Yum. Now, we're gonna toast the bun on a pan with just a smudge of butter. You can also do it in a toaster if you like. Once buns are nice and browned, it's time to put all that goodness together. My secret sauce. Instead of mayo and ketchup, I'm using yogurt and sriracha sauce. How much of each it is completely up to you, depending on how spicy you like it. Now once that's finished, dress it up with or whatever you like. Everything I'm using is completely optional. Serve it with oven baked french fries. Recipe link upper right hand corner. You gotta check it out. They're really good and really low calories comparing to the original version. And last but not least, how to make this burger a little bit leaner. The whole process is pretty much the same. I'm using 4 ounces of ground chicken and 4 ounces of ground beef. I simply skip the bun as it is 240 calories. I serve it on a bed of lettuce and of course a side of oven fried french fries. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe.